Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Happy Ramadan to all my Muslim subscribers and happy Eid in advance. Well, if this is your first time seeing this face, you are most definitely welcome. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Guys, I'm just going in with a random lip balm. I like this lip balm because it has like berry flavors. I'm just using that to moisturize my lips so I won't have any cracks when applying my lipstick. Then I'm going in with my Marykay foundation in the shade Bronze 2. I'm just going to apply a few drops of that into my palm, to the back of my hand, and then I'm going to use that on my eyelids just to make sure when I apply my eyeshadow, it's not going to crease and to come out nice. Then I'm using this small brush from Zaron. Then I'm going in with my eyeshadow primer from Tarte. Tarte is a Nigerian brand. I'm going in with Tarte. I just found out that it's the best application for this is using your hands. Like using a brush isn't that good. It will crease. So after I use the brush to apply it, then I'll use my hand just to dab it to make sure it's smooth and like it does not crease at all. Then I'm going in with my Morphe palette in the my Morphe 39A palette. I'm going in with the two colors. I don't know the shades of those colors, but like the two brown shades. Just using that to blend my crease. Just lightly, just use it to blend my crease. And I like the way it turns out. It turns out like a very cute purple, like light purple shade. So then again, I'm going back with my Tarte eyeshadow primer to cut my crease. I just found out this way because I have very little space within my crease line, so this just helps, like applying the primer then using your eyes. You guys should try it to help you a lot. I'm just using like a small Zaron brush to cut my crease. Then going in with the Zaron eyeshadow palette in gold. I'm applying the gold with the brush. Well, I found out while using this brush that it does not apply like very well as it does with like your hands, so I had to go in with my hands to apply the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow color. And I like the way the color came out, but I was not so pleased with it, so I had to go in with my Hudabeauty Desert Dusk palette in the shade, I think Celestial, I think that's what it's called. Then I just applied that on my eyeshadow just to make it pop a little bit more. And it applied well with both. You can apply this one both with your hands or with a brush. I just changed it as much as I like. Like if I'm applying it and I don't like the way it's applying with the brush, then I change it with my hands and I go back with my brush to make sure I have a fine line crease. Then I did the second eye. Then I'm going back again with my brush. I'm going into Oud in the Hudabeauty palette. Then I'm just going to use that to darken the outer corners of my crease, just to make it look good. Then now I'm going in with my eyeliner. I can't remember the name of this eyeliner, but I know I like the eyeliner a lot. It actually has a very easy applicator to use. I'm not a big fan of the tip, like the applicator, but like it's still okay. Then I'm going in with this lashes from Ardelle. I think that's what it's called. And I apply applied it, and it looks really nice. Like, I like the fact that it's not too long like my regular 3D lashes, but like it's nice because you're going to eat, you don't want to scare people. And I'm going in with my classic, what is it called? I'm going with my classic, oh my god. Then guys, I'm going in with my classic mascara, yes. I'm just going to use that on my eyelashes. Then now for my face, I'm going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish face primer, just applying that around my face, then using my hand to blend it into my skin. Then next I'm going in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee. Just going to use that under my eyelids, my forehead, my bridge of my nose, and then I go in with my beauty blender and just blend that out very fast. Guys, now I'm going in with my foundation, my Marykay foundation in the shade Bronze 2. I'm just going to use that below my face in all the areas I didn't apply my concealer. So guys, I wasn't happy with the way my brows were looking, so I just had to fill them in a little. Going in with my Sacha buttercup setting powder. I'm just going to apply that into my skin. I'm not allowing it to set. I'm just applying that directly into my skin. And I'm going in with my Zaron face definer. Oh my god, guys, I'm using a lot of Zaron products. Like Zaron, wow. I'm just going to use that to contour my face. Back in to my Huda Beauty palette in the shade Twilight, and I'm just going to add that to, oh my god, guys, I can't remember stops but you can see it in the video. Just applying it there. Then I'm going back into this like orange shade in my Morphe 39A palette. I'm just going to apply that under my eyes just to make my eye pop, just to give it like, you know. And I like the way it turned out. Like, it looks really, really nice. So I like that. Going in with my Colossal Kajal, I'm going to use it to line. I'm just going to use it to line my waterline. I don't know if line my waterline is the correct English, but well, understand where I'm going to. Using it to line my eyes. Then going in with my face spray. Oh my god, guys, I hate this spray, but this is all I have right now. I hate it. Like, it does not dry very fast. Going in with my Revolution highlighter palette. Oh my god, I love those colors. I'm going to use that to highlight my face. I want them to be seeing me from the moon or outer space. It's so nice. So I'm just going to use that to highlight my face, my nose, the bridges of my forehead. I'm just use that on my forehead. So next I'm going in with my MAC lip liner. I'm just going to use that to line my lips. Going in with the lip paint in the shade like burgundy with dark brown. It's a Drugstore lip paint, so I don't know the name. That is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Until I see you guys next time. Bye.
bring me plenty trouble. So much trouble. Trouble. Say you tease and you leave and never love her. All the boys and the